In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reactivate an expired discount on your Shopify store. Now, if you're looking to bring back one of your old promotions, you've come to the right place. Reactivating a discount might sound a bit tricky, but following these straightforward steps will make it a breeze. Let's dive in and tackle this process together, beginning with accessing your Shopify admin dashboard. First, you'll need to log into your Shopify account. Once you're in, look towards the left-hand menu. Here, you'll find a collection of different options to choose from that help you manage various aspects of your online store. Among these options, you'll want to click on the one labeled Discounts. This section of your dashboard is the hub where all your promotional codes and discounts are centralized, whether they are active or have already expired. Next, let's identify the specific discount you want to reactivate. In the Discounts section, you'll see a list of all your created discounts. Scroll through the list until you find the one that has expired. You can tell a discount is expired because its status will be marked clearly as expired. Once you've located your expired discount, place a check mark in the checkbox right beside it. This action signifies that you've selected this specific discount for further changes. Moving on, look to the top right corner of your screen, where you'll find a button labeled Activate Discounts. Go ahead and give that button a click. Now, this is a very important step, so Shopify asks for a little confirmation before proceeding. A pop-up will appear asking if you are sure you want to activate the selected discounts. To go forward with reactivation, simply click the Activate button within the confirmation prompt. By doing so, you're signaling to Shopify that you're ready for this discount to go live again on your store, and that's essentially the last action needed for this task. It's a brief confirmation step, but it ensures that you've double-checked and are indeed happy with what you're reactivating. And just like that, you've successfully reactivated an expired discount in Shopify. It's important to note that the discount is now active and available to be used by your customers, exactly as it was before its status had expired. If at any point you find yourself needing to make changes to the discount details themselves, such as the percentage off or the terms, remember that you can always revisit the discount section and make those edits numerous times as needed. Thanks for joining me in this walkthrough today. I hope you found this guide helpful and that your newly reactivated discount boosts your store's promotions successfully. Feel free to check out our other videos for more Shopify tips and tricks. Happy selling!